everybody, this is Shahab again, your host. Today we're gonna show you how to make Peshawari style chicken karahi. Everybody overdoes it with these spices, but trust me, keep it simple. You're gonna love it. You're gonna have that taste to it, what you had it back home. Don't go with these spices. Keep it simple like I do. You're gonna love it. So keep watching. First thing we're gonna do is put 14 ounces of oil in a pan. Now we're gonna put it on the stove. We heat up the oil a bit. Now we're gonna add the chicken in the oil. We put it on full heat to heat up the oil. Now we're gonna put in the chicken inside. So the chicken is roughly around 3.5 to 4 pounds. So these spices are gonna be flexible because you have to see how much chicken did you put in and you have to taste it. So we're gonna put these spices according to that. So we have to mix it a bit to kind of stir fry the chicken. So we're stir frying the chicken. This way the chicken pieces won't break. Now we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of fresh garlic ginger paste. Now we have to mix it well. We're gonna mix it roughly around 30 seconds to a minute so the chicken absorbs the garlic ginger paste in there. We're gonna put roughly around 8 to 10 tomatoes. You could put the whole tomatoes in there because once they cook, they leave their water in the chicken. That's what you need for the chicken, and the peel-offs, the skin will peel off itself. You can simply remove it. As you can see right now, we'll put them right here as is. Sometimes it's hard to find the green chilies. You could simply buy them and freeze them and use them later. This is what we do because it's very hard to find the green chilies. We're gonna remove these stems from the chilies and we're gonna toss them straight up inside. So we're gonna put roughly around like 10 chilies. This is good for 3 to 5 hungry people. Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of salt in there. We're mixing the salt so the entire chicken has that saltiness inside the chicken as well. After stirring the salt, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, brown black pepper in there. As you can see, tomato skins are peeling off. In a few minutes we're gonna take them off with a tongs. I love to stir, but there's a problem with this thing because you can't stir the chicken too much until next time. So now you can see tomatoes are very soft. I'm chopping the tomato as you can see. This way, you know, the chicken absorbs the taste of the tomatoes. If you are from Karachi-based people love putting yogurt and onion in their karahi. If you come down to Punjabi people, they love to only put onion. And we are Peshawari people, we only keep it simple, we only use tomatoes. The dish is almost to be done. Now it's time for the kick. Ginger. Now we're gonna put some dhania. Fresh dhania is gonna bring that freshness to the karahi itself. Now we're gonna mix it well. Long commute, coming from home, you're tired, you don't have time, you wanna make something for your family, for your loved one. Karahi is the dish, it doesn't take that long. As simple as it is, as tasty as it is. After 15 to 20 minutes, now you can see the color completely changed. There's no added masala in there. Everything is organic and simple. You could see you can't go wrong with it. It's a healthy meal for you and your family. As you can see, the chicken has started leaving the oil. The dish is about to be ready. It's gonna take 5 to 7 more minutes to be fully prepared. A lot of people don't like oil in their dish, so simply you can remove the extra oil from the dish. Make sure you don't remove the masala. So this is all the oil, including the extra oil chicken left. The dish is ready, as you can see. We're gonna garnish it with some ginger, some green chilies, and some dhania. Now we're gonna make some fresh naan, because I love eating my karahi with some fresh hot tandoori naan. I'm bringing my karahi here so I can have it with the naan. You see the naan is ready. We're gonna take it out of tandoor. Put some butter on the naan. The time is here. The karahi is ready, guys. As you can see, all we put in is salt, black pepper, some ginger, some fresh dhania, a little bit of oil. That's it. Not a lot of ingredients need to make a fresh chicken karahi. I'm gonna show it to you. It's my time to eat my karahi. So keep watching. I'm gonna take my bite and share my experience with you guys. I love eating my karahi inside the karahi itself. Oh my god, look at the masala. Oh my god. Guys, so amazing. You can't go wrong with it. Guys, if you learned something from our dish, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. You can't go wrong with it, because there's a lot more traditional dishes coming on our channel. Stay connected with us and keep watching and show us that love. Till next time, take care. Assalamu alaikum.